Ginger is a versatile and flavorful ingredient commonly used in cooking and for its medicinal properties. But when it comes to using ginger in your recipes, should you reach for the fresh root or the dried powder? Dried ginger powder is a convenient option that can be easily measured and added to recipes. It also has a longer shelf life than fresh ginger, making it a good choice for those who don't use ginger frequently. On the other hand, fresh ginger root is known for its potent flavor and aroma. It's also a rich source of gingerols and shogaols, compounds that give ginger its many health benefits. Fresh ginger is commonly used in stir-fries, marinades, and teas. When cooking with fresh ginger, it's best to peel it and grate it for the most intense flavor. You can also slice or chop it for a more subtle taste. However, when using dried ginger powder, use about a quarter to half as much as you would use with fresh ginger. In conclusion, both fresh ginger root and dried ginger powder can be used in cooking and have their own unique benefits. Fresh ginger root provides a stronger flavor and more potent health benefits, while dried ginger powder is a more convenient option with a longer shelf life. Thanks for watching.